प्रोग्राम में भी मनवाया अपनी प्रतिभा का लोहा। मौका था एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स मीट 2023-2024 का और आयोजन हुआ जीसस एंड मेरी एकेडमी रहमगंज दरभंगा में। बतौर मुख्य अतिथि सदर अनुमंडल पदाधिकारी दरभंगा सुश्री चंद्रिमा अत्री मौजूद थी। उपस्थित थी डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर मधुरिमा सिन्हा, मौजूद थे मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर यशराज सिंह, साथ ही साथ उपस्थित था पूरा जीसस एंड मेरी एकेडमी परिवार।
For conducting various co-curricular activities and extracurricular activities that help us in building up their personality as well as career. Ruby House, the Ruby's House flying the flag, named after the color of the resistance. Girls, the future of Indra. One dignified personality is sitting on the stage. Sapphire House. With zeal and fervor for this sports meet events that I have named as chief guest events. And our chief guest will be gracious enough to spare some more time to hand over the prizes. Taking their respective places. Second and third. Segregate them immediately. Write down the names of the first and second winners. They are running, and they have touched the finishing point. Guest driver, इन winners को प्राइज देंगे. प्राइज को ले जाएगा. Prize to Amrit Anand. Congratulations, my boy. Second prize to Prince Kumar and first prize goes to Prince Kumar.